Hey guys, it's Dom from mobiledom.co.uk, and today I have an unboxing for you of the new Xbox 360 250GB. Let's get down to it. Bit of a different format today guys, because it's a bigger box, I can't do it on a table. So, oh shit. I'll just bleep that out actually, I can't swear on YouTube. Alright, put my knife to the side. Lift this big flap up. Start here. I shall. Flicks, friends and fun. Connect to Xbox Live today. Oh yeah, because this is the one with the Wi-Fi integrated. You don't need to buy the separate adapter. I just lift it out of the box. We'll come back to this in a minute. Under here we have the headset, which I guess my little brother will be happy about. So you've got the microphone and the cable which plugs into the bottom of the controller. Speaking of controller, I can't get out of the box or bag. Standard black Xbox controller. One's now chrome. And the batteries, and because I'm such a nice brother, I'm actually going to put them in for him as well. Hey guys, while I'm here I should note this is not the one that comes with the Kinect system. This is just the hardcore gamers, and this is the Explorer Xbox 360 setup and warranty. See? Throw that shit to the side. Now, under this little flap here, we have the connector for the power brick. And overall, guys, it's being called the Xbox. It's marketed as the Xbox 360. It's all through the internet and all the tech blogs, the Xbox 360 Lite, and that's because it's smaller and lighter than the previous one, and it also has a smaller power brick. So we have the little I can't even rip through plastic, I'm so weak today. Getting there. It's the red, white and yellow to SCART adapter for TVs. Always good to have. Here is the composite cable. You've got the obviously the red, white and yellow to the Xbox proprietary video. Last but not least, the giant that is the power brick. Now, compared to the old power brick, it's tiny, but it's still huge. And that's a really weird connector. If I go through it now, back to the Xbox itself. Right, this one is the glossy and shiny one. Alright, on the front we have a sticker. It's gonna really annoy if I leave it on. Wait here. Whoosh. So guys, on the front we have the port, the flat height and the two USBs, the sync button, touch sensitive power button, disc tray and touch sensitive eject button. On the top we have a huge vent. This side another vent. Now on the back is where everything happens. You've got the power, optical in, the HDMI, sorry, Xbox proprietary. You got the LAN. You got this is the new connector. Connector. Sounds funny. And we've got 3 USB 2.0 ports. Right, this is Dom from mobiledom.co.uk. Peace.